G'day, and welcome to WIRSOL Energy's Whitsunday and Hamilton Solar Farms. We're glad to have you along on the tour. Here, we'll take you around both farms for a closer look at how things work. The sites are located side by side on the same land, close to the town of Collinsville, Queensland. They were developed by WIRSOL Energy, built by Boyds Construction Australia, and are owned by WIRSOL Energy. The sites are approximately the same size, at 154 and 157 hectares in area. Construction of Hamilton Solar Farm began in March 2017 and finished in April 2019. Construction of Whitsunday Solar Farm began in March 2017 and finished in March 2019. Collectively, the solar farms created work for over 900 personnel in various capacities during the construction phase, with a contractor remaining to carry out operations and maintenance tasks. Both farms have been operating commercially since March 2019 and have been generating clean energy for the national electricity market consistently since. Each site uses 215,280 Trina 320 watt solar panels, 23 2500 MVA Sunny Central inverters, and 2,392 ATI Duratrack tracker and mounting systems. These and many other components generate a maximum DC power of 68.9 megawatts, with an AC grid output of 57.5 megawatts at each site. The solar panels are mounted on a single axis tracker. On this farm, a row of trackers holds 90 solar panels. The tracker frames run in a north to south direction and are 1 panel wide and 90 panels long. In the morning, the tracker faces the modules to the east, increasing the solar energy that hits the panels and therefore the power generated. As the sun rises and moves from east to west, the trackers rotate the panels on a single axis around the frame, thereby generating the most amount of energy over the course of a day. A common misconception is that solar plants don't generate during cloudy days, whereas in fact it's usually generating 10 to 25% of its normal output. Our solar panels take the sun's free and clean energy and turn it into what's called direct current, or DC power. This is the sort of power that you can get out of a normal AA or 9-volt household battery. The energy grid, however, runs on what's called alternating current, or AC power. These devices here are called inverters, and their primary role is to electronically convert the DC power from the solar panels into AC power so it can be exported to the grid. The substation is the interface between the solar farm and the national electricity market. The substation includes the energy meters and the electrical protection devices required to interact safely with the transmission network, as well as the 33 to 132 kV transformer to step up the voltage from the solar farm so it can be fed into the transmission network of central Queensland. The farm requires a combination of remotely controlled operations and on-the-ground maintenance. Operations and dispatch of the plant is managed 24/7 by control centres off-site via internet and networked communications. Local personnel are employed to conduct the numerous maintenance activities required to keep the plant going. As you can see here, regular washing of the panels is conducted to make sure they can efficiently absorb the sun's energy, and vegetation management is required on a regular basis. Electricians are used to remedy any faults in the solar farm's operation or carry out upgrades to improve performance. These two farms generate an amount of clean energy each year equivalent to what is consumed by 45,000 households, whilst preventing 265,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide from entering our atmosphere, thus contributing to the international effort to halt climate change. Thanks for visiting WIRSOL's Hamilton and Whitsunday Solar Farms. We hope you've enjoyed this short tour, and when things open up again, look forward to seeing you in person. With a minimum 30-year operational lifetime, we'll be here for a while. WIRSOL is proud to be one of many partners in Australia's clean energy transition to a better future, with environmentally friendly low-cost power for all Australians. For more information on these two projects and the rest of our portfolio, you can contact our Sydney team or check out our website.